I want to show you guys how to make a just a standard potato salad. This one's going to be really good, and it's also going to come with celery, red onion, potatoes. We are also going to be doing some really nice mustard, stone ground, along with some bacon and dill. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like, and let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a little minute. It's been about 6 months since I filmed. Baby boy's doing good. Now the potatoes, I like using either like Russets or Yukon Golds. Really depends on what you get at the store. So in the comment section, I want you guys to also put maybe like what your favorite potato salad is. Because this one, if you guys have never tried it, I just tried it like 2 weeks ago. And to be honest, I'm making it again because I literally cannot stop eating it. So I'm just making it with my lunches. Maybe do some like chicken on the barbecue, hunk it up. Because sometimes I get kind of tired of sandwiches. Get tired of making all that stuff, and I just want something I can eat with a fork. Eat a couple bites, go to my call. Eat another couple bites, go to my next call. And if you're wondering what kind of call, so I'm in heating and air conditioning. I work for Service Champions. Great company, huge company. And if you guys ever need heating and air conditioning, I can definitely help you out with that. Okay, so what we're going to do with these potatoes is we're going to be cutting, some somewhat big slices, and then we're going to quarter them all. Well, I'm not going to quarter them, I'm just going to do these little, as if it's, you know, going to get cut up ready to put in the salad, so that we don't have to cut it again. So I'm going to show you guys a trick that I have learned that I really liked, and I feel like it works really, really well for this application of potatoes. Let's do like this. So a good way to keep your potatoes from not sticking all over the place is just to drag the knife back, and they're out of the way. So we are going to be cutting these into, I don't know, probably like little bite-sized pizzas. Hope you guys are having a good summer. The weather's just perfect in the Bay Area. And I don't know about you guys, but I've been barbecuing like crazy, doing a bunch of stuff. Just gonna put this over here. We're gonna start putting these little guys in the water. Okay, you guys need to comment because Leanne does not like to be on TV. And I think if we get enough people to tell her that she needs to be on camera, I think we can make it happen. She's camera shy. So we're gonna turn this on high. So I like to salt my water. It might seem like a lot of salt, but remember, it's potato salad, so it's yeah, you just want it kind of salty actually. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so we're gonna do some red onion. We're also gonna do this. So I washed this, of course. Even if it's a little ugly piece, we're still gonna use it, okay? Because there's no point of throwing this away, it's still good. So, once it gets all cut up, you're good to go. So this, I like to do little small pieces. When I like the bite factor of a small piece of celery. Again, we're just going to go down the middle. cut it like that. Can't believe I'm making this potato salad again. It's so good. Okay, so again, we're gonna do a nice little So I love celery, and I don't know about you guys, but absolutely love it. So what I'm gonna try to do is just to make this onion oh yeah, nice and thin, nice and small. So a little pro tip, guys, is this onion is going to be a little bit strong, especially for the potato salad. But what I am going to do is I'm going to soak this in water, just right over here. Oh yeah, love that red onion. Actually might not use all this red onion, but so that's just going to sit there, and it's not going to be as spicy. And let's see here. Just try to keep your guys' work surface nice and clean. Okay. I'm actually going to put in a pan. Let's do the bacon. Let's get it going. Might as well. All right. So I'm actually going to use bacon, and I am going to save the bacon fat because right here. Oh, look at that bacon. Oh, it smells so good. Let's do 4 pieces of bacon. I think that's appropriate. I get all my meats from Lenardi's, which is nice. So this we're just gonna press down pretty hard on that bacon. Tried to find the fattiest of bacon. Cool. This is going to go over right here. Right there. Do a little wash up. All right. Let's see what this looks like. You guys got to get into these utensils here. Early wood. I don't know if you can see that. Very awesome little cooking utensil. Dill. Oh, Mr. Dill. God, I love this stuff. I like dill a lot. You guys might not like it, so if you don't like dill, you can always use something else. But typically, dill in a potato salad is pretty darn good. So dill, very easy. We're just going to pull off the stems, just like this. So we don't want the other pieces. So just lightly grab it, and if the stem comes off, it's probably pretty tender anyway. Yep, just like that. Dill. And this is almost going off. All right, so when we come back, you guys, we'll take this off. Potatoes, the bacon will be done. And then in 3, 2, 1. All right, so when they're hot, okay, so that's good, right? Potatoes. They're draining off a little bit, but they're done, okay? They're done, they're hot. So we are gonna pour this out like this. And while it's like that, guys, we're gonna take some vinegar. Probably like a good couple tablespoons. Some sugar. PJ just got up. I heard him. I heard you, buddy. So we're right here. We're just going to do a little bit. Sugar. This is where the magic happens, guys. So about a tablespoon. This is going to cool down. And then when this is ready, we're going to put it into the salad. Okay, so this is now done. Okay, looks great. Cold to the touch. Okay, so I got bacon. I got the bacon fat. I also have my celery, dill, mayonnaise out here. We're going to add our dill. Okay. We're also going to add our onions. So believe it or not, this actually works pretty darn well with keeping the spicy onion flavor out of the way. I like a lot of onions, so. We're also going to be putting in these guys, okay? We are going to be putting in, just a little bit of extra bacon-y. This is how you can kind of get away with not using as much mayonnaise. So I'm going to put this right here. Little man's getting hungry for a bottle. And that's probably perfect. Probably perfect right there. We are also going to add some mustard, stone ground. Probably like that much. Me and my wife like pepper, so got that. And I think we'll go like that, huh? Pickle juice. About a tablespoon of that. Such a perfect summer dish. Let's try it. Probably too much. There we go. A little bit of salt. And I think we're good, guys. All right, there we go. That is potato salad my way. Thanks, guys.